How to delete business portfolio on Facebook. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open any browser in your PC. Once you open the browser, in the search bar, go ahead and search for facebook.com. And once you search for it, you want to go ahead and simply log into your Facebook page. So once you're logged into your Facebook page, in your left hand side, you'll then be able to find Ads Manager. Go ahead and tap onto it. Now inside here, you simply want to go ahead and tap on All Tools. And from here, go ahead and tap on Business Settings. So once you're inside Business Settings, simply tap on Business Portfolio Info. And just like so, you'll then be able to find an option that says Permanently Delete Business. Go ahead and tap onto it, and it will ask you to confirm your deletion. Just like so, you'll then be able to delete your business portfolio on Facebook. That is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.